Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard these scammer had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought. Yeah, it's not a purse, it's a merch. 6 figures was a goal, now it's 9 or a hearse. Put it work. Used to pull up, not swerve. No time for the snakes, time to put them in the dirt. That's word. I gotta get it, it's in my DNA. You only see the highlights, don't know what it takes. Last year stressing, got no sleep. Now I'm right between the courts, side of nosebleeds. Yeah, I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't.
What's up everyone, Hong here and welcome back to the channel. And as you can see, traffic starting to build up because everyone's rushing to get home. I, on the other hand, I'm not in a rush, but I am super excited to be going to where I am going right now. I'm on my way down to BMW Motorrad Singapore's showroom because they're going to be unboxing the all new 2025 Bmw S1000Rr. Now I've seen probably a gazillion videos and photos on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, you name it. And I don't know, personally, I really like how it looks. I know a lot of people say it doesn't look that good in photos and videos, and then they change their mind when they see it in the flesh or in the metal. For me, I really like how it looks. I love how it's got bigger wings. I love how it's got those shark gills on the side fairing, reminiscent to the earlier generation S1000Rrs. Not sure if I should say that in front of my double R. So I ordered my double R back in late 2024. This is the last one in white in Singapore. Right now it's at 780 kilometers. So I'm still breaking in the motor, I'm still breaking in the engine. So based on my math, by the time we arrive at the BMW Motorrad showroom in about 23 minutes, it would be at 800 kilometers. And that is okay for its first oil change and also to unlock and unleash. As you can see, the red RPMs only peaks at 9,000. That is the BMW showroom. So this is Performance Motors, and they are the official dealership for BMW Motorrad motorcycles here in Singapore.
Okay, sorry is it sorry does. She just wanna cut up in the.
You are of course welcome to test ride almost all the bikes they have here, and why not? Ooh, traffic police bikes.
Playing fair, playing fair, playing fair. Nah, I ain't playing fair. Ask her why she.
Alright, here we are.
I had to ask some more, but I really had to go and get my bop on. Yeah, I get my bop on. If she needs some good, tell her she got hop on. She know I'm the top dog. I know she a hot one, but Lindsay's on the feet, and you know I got the socks on. Yeah,
don't you just love looking at yourself in reflections? I do.
She know I'm the top dog. I know she a hot one, but Lindsay's on the feet, and you know I got the socks on. She said with my hot sauce, she ain't with no knockoff. See them, we gon' pop off. Uber getting dropped off, kicking in the door. We ain't knock on it. Ice on your beat, and you know it got the bop to it, running up the streams.
So if you guys come by to the showroom, you gotta look for these guys. They will hook you up. They'll tell you exactly what you need if you want to get any one of these motorcycles. All right, time to get the helmet off.
If she needs some good, tell her she got hop on. She know I'm the top dog. I know she a hot one, but Lindsay's on the feet, and you know I got the socks on. Yeah, I get my.
Alright, so here we are at the BMW Motorrad Singapore showroom, and just like the last time when we were here for the GS 1300 Adventure launch, it's after hours now, lights are still on, but they'll be coming off pretty soon. And the crate that we're going to be unboxing tonight is right there. This is the new 2025 S1000Rr. I'm not sure what color it is. It's going to be a little bit of a surprise for me and for you guys as well. And can't wait.
Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on. They can try, but they can't get rid of me. I keep on coming with energy. I keep on bringing that energy. Energy, energy, energy. I feel on top of the top. I think outside of the box. I won't fall into that box. Energy, energy, energy. Live up to my name. Go wrong, take the blame. Never wanted other fame. I stay away from that lane. I can still wake up and ball out. All in my court, I go ball out. Look at my baby go all out. Energy, energy, energy. Yeah, 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 come on. Yeah, 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 come on. I could write this in my sleep. Say you don't sleep, but I sleep. That's why you're sleeping on me. Why? Energy, energy, energy. Don't say a word or a peep. Me, I'm just me, I'm me. I keep it true, I don't sneak. Energy, energy, energy. I hit being on the road. Hard as a home when I'm home. Watching my babies get old. That gets me into my zone. That gets me into my groove. You know I'm nice, I'm not rude. Got no time for attitudes. Energy, energy, energy. Yeah, 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 come on. Yeah, yeah, come on. Yeah, yeah, come on. Yeah, yeah,
And here it is, the brand new 2025 BMW S1000Rr, first unit to arrive in Singapore. There are 3 color options available, namely in iconic white with blue and red and motorsport livery, black storm metallic for an aggressive, sharp and stealth look, as well as this dynamic blue stone metallic. While it may look similar to the 2023-2024 model, there have been quite a few changes. Nothing major, but subtle refinements to further sharpen its handling characteristics and performance, along with visual cues to set it apart. The new vents on the fairing showcases the sharp gills that I mentioned earlier in the video, and of course the unmistakable winglets that are now slightly larger and angled for even more downforce. A redesigned front intake and new brake ducts for the front calipers, as well as a new metallic grayish color for the swing arm and subframe. The new S1000Rr also has a new quick action throttle, making it easier to accelerate with a significantly smaller torque angle of just 60 degrees instead of 72. This, alongside with a revised cylinder head geometry that is identical to the MRR, gives the new S1000Rr an even more purposeful character on and off the racetrack. There are of course many ways to further customize your RR with BMW Motorrad, such as the carbon package with carbon wheels for an even slicker appearance, the M package which comes with the CNC milled footrest system, lever protector and forged wheels, the premium package which comes with features such as dynamic damping control and cruise control, and much more. If you're keen to check out the new BMW S1000Rr in the metal or take it out for a test ride when it's been homologated and available, drop by the BMW Motorrad showroom. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the bike, and if you were to get one, which color would you get it in? Do consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the notification bell so you won't miss my test ride when it's available. And if you've liked the video, like the video. That's it from me. Take care, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.